What's up, gamers? Today we're going to be filming another episode of Walter's Cooking Show. Today, we're going to be making some chocolate chip cookies. So if you'd like to follow me into not my kitchen, because I stole this person's kitchen, we're going to be making some cookies. I've got the recipe written in on this sheet of paper, or this sheet of paper towel, because Ty is dumb and won't give me a piece of paper. We are going to make some cookies. I don't actually know any of the measurements. Okay, so what we're going to need is to mix together 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. 3/4, that would give you 2 3/4. This is 1.5. Yes, I'm a genius.
I'll talk when you do some interesting stuff.
That's not.
He opened the fridge.
Ty, where are your spoons? Oh yeah, they're over here. I'm gonna use this spoon, right? Just gonna wipe it off a bit. Use this spoon. Get some flour in here. Make sure you're filming in horizontal. This last time Ty filmed in vertical, and I couldn't put the video together.
Hold on. You're probably wondering what happened last time. Well, I'll show you a little clip.
This doesn't call the fire department, does it?
Maybe.
Maybe. Ow! Oh. This went so well. The fire alarm went off. This is why we don't cook steak inside.
Huh. Didn't that look like it would have made some great content? Yeah, well, you can thank Ty for that.
If you're wondering who Ty is, it's this man right here.
Rick.
He has an IQ of 85.
Thank you.
Alright, we're gonna put this in here. No, we're not. No, we're not. No, we're not.
Mr. Chang, can you tell us your plans for this recipe?
So we're making cookies. And then we are going to add a tiny pinch of salt because we are using salted butter because someone forgot that we didn't have unsalted butter. Where's the Himalayan salt?
It's on this thing. Okay.
Oh yeah, right. I got it.
Why are you still recording me, Joseph?
Joseph, can you cut it? I don't want to have like a giant fucking video. Can you? We got that Himalayan salt in, right? And then we're gonna add approximately 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking soda.
Mr. Chang, are these measurements coming from your gut or from the internet?
Ah!
Walter, are you coughing on the cookies?
Don't worry, it's sanitary. Tiny whisk. We're gonna chop some chocolate. So to chop some chocolate, we're gonna take this thing, right, that Joseph paid for. Do you have a chopping board, Ty?
Yeah.
Where?
Not a wood one though.
Where?
Under the sink. The sink.
That's the oven, sir.
It should be to the very
Sink.
right.
So we're gonna
74.
chop the chocolate with the tin foil. Remember, the tin foil gives it a lot of extra texture. Perfect. Is this microwave safe?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes.
'Cause
If you want to be safe, then use.
No one likes to be safe, Ty. Shut up. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna we're just gonna peel this butter like an onion, right? And then we're just gonna. No one who melts butter on a plate. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna hold on. Let's put this down here. There you go.
God damn it! Kumi, attack! Attack!
1/2 cup of white sugar.
Why white?
Because whites are. I'm cutting that out of the video.
This is on the internet, sir. did you know I'm a really good chef? I can make hot pockets without problem.
No way.
I can make rice no problem too.
I can too.
I can pour water. I can order boba.
What an excellent cook. Okay.
I can also cross the street without dying.
Oh, I can't do that.
Walter.
Oh.
Yes, what is that?
Are those your favorite socks by any chance?
This spatula, what we're going to do is we're going to move this closer, and then we're just gonna drop the chocolate in.
Are your hands clean, Walter?
Yes, I just washed them.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I just washed them.
Didn't you just sneeze on them?
Yes, I just washed them. And then we're just gonna fold this in. Like
Why is there like
so.
one huge piece in there?
Don't listen. You'll understand when it's done. Okay.
I have a lot of dog around me. I don't know if it's from your dog or from the carpet.
Both.
Both.
How many cookies is this gonna make, Walter?
Quite a few.
Quite a few. Do you need the board?
Yeah, the oven kit thing. Yeah. Can you line it with parchment paper?
We have 1, 2, 3 pans for cookies.
So these are gonna spread out a lot, so we need to space them out.
Okay, but do you think they will fit with that much dough and that much per cookie? Walter, can you make one huge cookie in that one pan?
It's gonna take a while to bake for sure. Actually,
Yeah.
alright.
Just use the whole dough.
Make a cookie pie.
We can do 2 per person. And then we can split that huge one.
Hold on, let's get the rest of this dough out of here. Would you like to eat the cookie dough after? Joseph, do you want to eat some cookie dough? Do you want to eat cookie dough?
There's eggs in it.
So people still eat cookie dough.
You could get to disease.
Why, hello. This is how they ended up coming out. I put some with less chocolate because it doesn't like chocolate, but like they don't look terrible. It doesn't look that bad actually. Really, this looks more better. It looks better than those ones. So I'm very excited to try this out, and we'll see you in a bit when they're cool enough to try.
6.5 hours later.
All right, here we are with a piece of the pie that we cut open. So we're just gonna give it a little try. Honestly, like.
I think it's really bad because you made it, Walter.
All right, first off, it tastes like a cookie.
Walter, is that a dog right there?
What was that? What was that, Joseph?
Scale of 1 to 6.
From a 1 to 6 scale, I feel like this deserves like a 3.4. Thank you. Good night.